There are several scenarios where you might need to shift the auto transmission into neutral without starting the engine. For example, if your car needs to be towed or you want to roll your car into a better position for jump starting. When the gear shifter is in park position, you will not be able to push or tow your car as the front wheels are locked out by the transmission. If you want to move the shifter out of park, it will not move. It's locked in place due to safety reasons. There is a manual override mechanism that allows you to release the shifter lock. This manual override is located near the shifter and is designed to be used in emergencies. You will need a tool like a flathead screwdriver to remove this cap labeled Shift Lock Release. If you don't have a screwdriver, you should get it from the toolkit in your Sportage. Open the liftgate, pull the floor, and there's the toolkit that has a screwdriver inside. Insert the tip of the screwdriver into the slot and gently lift up the cap. Then pull out the cap by hand. Now you will see this big white button inside. Push the button downward and while applying pressure, move the shifter out of park using your other hand. The shifter should now move freely. Move the shifter to N or neutral position. Now that the transmission is in neutral, you can roll your car by giving it a slight push. You can also tow your car if needed. You can move the shifter back into park without pressing the white button. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more Kia Sportage tips. See you next time.